So it is not nothing but it is an official document. It can be shown as evidence when you're making any payments to the government departments. Any evidence. Okay. It be shown as evidence when you're making payment to the government department. This is the meaning of challan. Okay. So what is challan reconciliation? When you're making payment of taxes, including penalties or interest, that will be displayed in Challan reconciliation report in Tally software. I'll show you later on. Okay, the Challan reconciliation report shows disclosures. It will display whatever the payments you are making to the government in the form of tax, interest, or penalties. Okay, that is GST tax payment or any other liabilities which are likely to pay to the government, that will be displayed in the Challan reconciliation report. Okay, for each payment, the bank and Challan details can provide from this report, and you can find out what are the missing payment transactions from the Challan reconciliation report. This is the meaning of Challan reconciliation. You will find in GST in Tally software. I'll show you later on while doing the problems on GST in Tally software. Okay, this is about the purpose of child reconciliations when making any payments, any tax payments, any other liabilities in the form of taxes, interest, or penalties to the government, that will be displayed in the Challan reconciliation report or statement. Okay, and for each payment, we can provide the bank and Challan details can be included in this report here. This is the meaning of Challan reconciliation. Now, how to go to Challan reconciliation report from Gateway of Tally. Select display. So select statutory reports. Select GST. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Who is this? So this is the how to view the Challan reconciliation report. From Gateway of Tally, select display, select stat reports, select GST, you will get Challan reconciliation. Select Challan reconciliation. And this is the pick of Challan reconciliation report in the Tally ERP.1 software. We have a date particulars, we have voucher type, voucher number, type of payment, payment period, mode of payment, we have bank name, amount. This is a pick of Challan reconciliation report. This is a list of payment vouchers. We are making payment to the government in the form of taxes or liabilities. Only to the government, not to the customers. When you're making any payment in the form of taxes, interest, or penalties, that will be displayed in Challan reconciliation statement or report. Now, to set the payment details for each transaction, click Alt S to set details, specify from and to dates, select the mode of payment, enter the details and press Ctrl plus A to accept it. This is the way how to set the payment details for each transaction in Challan reconciliation report. Okay, click Ctrl S. Okay, to set the details. Specify the dates from and to which date, and select the choose the mode of payment. It is by cash or by credit card or it by NEFT or it might be any other payment, online payment. Enter the details and press Ctrl plus A to accept it. This is a usual shortcut key for saving the file, Ctrl plus A. And this is the payment you are making from. This is the pick of the Challan payment here. When you're making any payment, now it is called statutory payment screen. Period from which date to which date. It is example is given 1st July 17 to 31st July 17. Mode of payment, net banking. Okay, net banking, e-payments, bank name you can say. These are different modes of payments here. Cash, you can pay cash only when the payment of taxes below 10,000 rupees. Above 10,000 you have to pay by online mode only, by check, okay, by credit card, by debit card, by demand draft, by NEFT or RTGS, by net banking. These are different modes of payment here. Now we have common portal identification number, Challan identification number, BRN number, UTR number, payment date. The different things will be displayed in the statement payment report here. Now, column of Challan reconciliation report is given below. Particulars, what it contains. Date displays the payment voucher date. First is date column. It will be date of payment of voucher. When you made the payment, which date you made the payment. Particulars. In particulars column, it will show you the bank or cash ledger, whether you paid through bank, through check, or by cash. Okay. Then voucher type. Displays the name of the voucher type as payment voucher. It is a payment voucher, not receipt voucher. Okay. Always the voucher type will be payment voucher, not the receipt voucher. Now it will display the next heading is voucher number. It displays the payment voucher number. Now it will next column is type of tax payment. Displays GST tax type, whether it's CGST or IGST or SGST or UDGST. It will display the tax type. Okay. Next, what's the payment period? Which date to which date you are making payment here? Displays the from and to dates. Enter the statutory payment details screen of Challan reconciliation report here. The types of payment. It displays the payment type base as such as interest, late fee, others or penalty. That means you're paying on date before the due date. It will sell before the due date. Suppose after due date, you have to pay interest or late fees or others or penalties. It will show you type of payment, a type of payment column here. This is the different columns of Challan reconciliation report in the given displayed in the screen. There are different columns: date column, particulars column, voucher type, voucher number, type of tax payment, payment period, types of payment here. Now we have mode of payment. Which mode you are making payment here? That means which mode it is a e-payment or cash or check. Bank name. Okay. Select the which bank name you're making through which bank name. Bank name entered in the payment voucher. Then it will display the CPIN number, common portal identification number, that entered in the payment voucher in the Challan reconciliation. It is a number, a different code number for identification, common portal. It will identify the number. Now we have Challan identification number, CIN number. It will display the CIN number entered in the payment voucher or in the Challan reconciliation report. Now BR number, UTR number displays the number in the payment voucher, Challan reconciliation report. Instrument number, that means check number. Okay, if the mode of payment is like this, check or demand draft, you have to enter the instrument number, check number. If you are making payment by check or DD, you have to enter the instrument number. These are different columns of Challan reconciliation statement. Then payment due date, it displays the payment date entered in the payment voucher in the Challan reconciliation report. Amount, and displays the amount entered in the payment voucher. These are different columns of Challan reconciliation report. Now I'll show you later how do you go to the Challan reconciliation report. Now we have to do one problem. Now in the third unit we have covered all the theory part. Now we'll do problems now. Problems means problems to be done in Tally software. So I'll post you in a problem WhatsApp group. So Anushka, Ashray is there. Ashray is there. Shivani, I'll post the problem in the WhatsApp group. It's a very, very small problem here.
Okay, sir.
Just 2 minutes to post the problem in WhatsApp group. Then I'm posting the Ashray group.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm posting the problem now. WhatsApp group. Personally. Shivani posted in the WhatsApp group now. Yeah. Who else is there? Asha posted. Pooja, I don't know the number. Akash, Pooja, do you want to post the problem? Not needed now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. I'll post in the. I think Ashray will post in the group. Ashray will post in the group. I show you the problem now. Now this is a problem here to enter Tally software. Now this is the problems on composition dealer. Joseph Traders purchased the following goods from Virat Traders, Telangana, who is a composition dealer. Now Virat Trader is a composition dealer. Joseph Traders, assume you are a Joseph Traders. You are a regular dealer. Assume you are a Joseph Traders, you are a regular dealer. Virat Traders is a composition dealer. From the both belong to the same state. Okay, both belong to same state. With the supplier invoice number 33. So name of item printer. Name of item printer. Next is how many purchased? Quantity 10. What is the rate per piece? 6,000. What is the total amount? 60,000. Okay, this is a problem where you have to enter in the Tally software. Okay, I hope you got the problem. Most of you got the problem.
Yes, sir.
Now, you should tell me what to do one by one. Okay. Now, open the Tally software now. I'll open the Tally software now. Now, this is the Tally software. You will see the gateway of Tally screen. Okay. Now, what is the first step you have to do? Ashray, anyone? What is the first step you have to do?
Create a company, sir.
Shortcut key. Shortcut key. Shortcut key to create a company.
Alt plus F1.
F1 or F3?
F3, sir. All
F3, sorry, F3. Alt plus F.
Alt plus F3. Okay. Alt plus F3. So create a company. Press C. We'll write the Joseph Traders, because imagine you are a Joseph Traders. Okay. You are buying goods from Virat Traders. Virat Traders is a composition dealer. You are a registered dealer. Okay. Joseph Traders. Enter the address. Second were bad. And enter the state, Telangana. Remaining is optional, not compulsory. Control plus A. Control plus A. To save the company name. Press escape to go to gateway of Tally. Press escape. Escape key. Check the date once again. Now date is not changed here. Date should be 1/4/2021 to 31st March 2022. Now you have to change the date. How to change the date?
Alt plus F2, sir.
F2. So 1/4/2021 to 31st March 2022. This is the date you have to change. Okay. You have to change the current period. Alt plus F2. Shortcut key. Current period. Okay. Now, what's the next step? What is the next step? You have created a company. What is the next step? What is the next step? You have to create a company. What is the next step? Forgotten? What is the next step? Recollect.
The units of measure we should do.
No.
the inventory information.
Not that one. Next, very important step. Very important step. That is later on. Inventory, that is later on. What is the important step? Very important step, Prakash.
Ledger, sir.
Not ledger. Ledgers later on.
Now we should click on the company now. Joseph Trader or something.
Activate GST. How to activate GST? How to activate GST? Shortcut key to activate GST. Shortcut key to activate GST. Which is a shortcut key? Forgotten? Shortcut key to activate GST. Which is a shortcut key? F10, F11. Which one is there? F10 or F11? Please response. Which is a shortcut key? F10 or F? I given the two choices. F10 or F11. Are you there? Which is the shortcut key? F10 or F11? Which one you have selected?
F11, sir.
F11. F11. Now, where you have to go for F11? Which one you have to select? Which one you have to select? Which one you have to choose it under company features?
Statutory and taxation.
F3. Press F3. You go to. It will take you to the stat and taxation. First should be yes. Enable GST. Second should be yes. Okay. Imagine you are a Joseph Traders, Telangana state. You are regular dealer, not composition. Composition, it is the, you are buying from composition dealer. You are regular dealer. Okay. SSC of other territory? No. Applicable from 1/4/2021. Now enter the GST, the GST number. Sample GST number. Enter it. 36. Triple A CU 240.
What is it, sir? 36 triple A CU 241.
24. That is a GST number.
Okay, just any number you're typing like that.
Yeah. I've taken it. You can get it from the Google. Google it, you'll get it. 36 belong to Telangana. You cannot take.
Control plus M is the shortcut key for the GST.
Which one?
For like entering these details, what's the shortcut Alt plus M, no sir?
No shortcut key. Directly you can enter the GST number. So 36 is the state code followed by PAN number. You can select any form GST number. That is only for study purpose, not for practical use.
Yes, sir.
So why? Because the report we will see GSTR 1 and 2 and 3, it will not display correctly if you don't enter GST number. You can enter any one GST number, but enter your state number 36 Telangana. Don't select the other state number. That is a state code. Now it is a monthly. Okay, we have to file monthly. As a regular dealer, you have to file monthly. Because we are regular dealer, you have to file monthly returns. Now for the time being, EV applicable, say no. What is EV applicable? We'll discuss in the next 4th unit. Now applicable from enter tax liability on advance receipt, say no. Enter tax liability reverse charge, say no. Sell alter GST details, say no, because we are setting GST rates at stock item level. We are setting GST at stock item level. Stock item is given printers. Okay. Remaining next is enter GST classification. Say yes. It will display all the different types of GST. Provide LUT board details. I'll discuss later on. We'll say for timing. We'll say no. So enter. Press accept yes or no. Press Y. Again enter. Press enter key. Enter. Or straight away say Control plus A. Control plus A. Now go to gateway of tally. Okay. Now here you have to prepare ledger accounts here. What different type of ledgers you have to prepare? You are a Joseph Traders. You have to prepare the ledger of party name Virat Traders. Okay. Virat Traders, you have to prepare a ledger. And next you prepare purchase ledger because you're purchasing goods from composition dealers. So for ledger, you have to create a single ledger, A, L, C, shortcut key. To create single ledger, ALC. You prepare purchase ledger, purchase account, then GST applicable, type of supply, select goods. Printer is a goods. Okay, Control plus A. Now you have to create party name, Virat Traders. Virat Traders. So under which the category does it come under? Because we are buying from him.
Creditor, sir.
Debtors, creditor.
Creditor. Sundry creditor.
Debtor, no? We are buying from him, no? Debtor. Okay.
Creditor, na, sir. We need to give him, na.
We are buying from him, na?
Okay, sir.
We have to pay, make payment to him later on. He becomes a debtor to us now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, debtor. Now here, under tax registration details, select the registration type. Select which one you have to select. You have to select composition. Select composition because he's a composition dealer. Select composition. I'm not selecting regular. He's a composition dealer. Okay. Type the GST number. Browse Google. Okay. Type the GST number. So GST number is 36 double A double C A 4861 C 1 Z 0. Okay. Party name is Virat Traders. He becomes debtors to us and is in the same state, Telangana, and his registration type is composition, not regular, not customer, not consumer. Type the sample GSM number, the sample one, which you can get it from the Google. Then enter, accept yes or no, yes. Okay. Now we created purchase ledger, we have created party name. Any other ledgers you have to create? Any other ledgers you have to create?
Joseph, we need to create, sir.
Which one?
Joseph.
Which one?
Traders.
Huh?
Joseph Traders.
Traders, I get created. No, Rohit Traders. Party name. Sorry, Virat Traders. Party name. Virat Traders. Joseph, you are a Joseph Traders. You cannot create your own ledger. We have created, yeah. Any other ledgers you have to create? We have created purchases and party type, party name ledger. Any other ledger to create? No. Why? Should we create taxes ledger, CGST, SGST taxes ledger? Should we create that? Yes or no? Do we need to create taxes ledger? Do we need to create taxes ledger? Anyone?
You need to alter, na, sir.
Huh?
Alter it.
No, should we create taxes ledger?
No, sir.
Well, yes or no?
Sir,
Do we need to create taxes ledger, CGST, SGST, IGST taxes ledger?
They are there, na, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
Why
We need
no?
to just alter the values.
Why no? Why we should not create taxes ledger?
Because they are already there, sir.
Where is
Like cash and all we need, like that.
where is that? There is not there. We have to create, actually generally we have to create taxes ledger, CGST, SGST, because within the state CGST, SGST you have to create, no. Why you are not creating it?
Okay, sir.
Why we are not creating it? Why we want to create? Why we don't want to create it? We are buying from whom? Which dealer?
Virat Traders.
Which dealer belongs to which registration type? Is a regulatory composition dealer.
Yes, sir.
Is a composition dealer. A composition dealer cannot collect GST taxes from any other party. They cannot collect any type of GST taxes from any other party. Remember, a composition dealer, he has no right to collect GST taxes from any other party. Okay, so that means we do not have to create CGST and SGST tax pledges. Why? Because we will not pay GST to composition dealers. Okay, he has no right to collect GST taxes. Yesterday we discussed what is composition dealer. And the composition dealer has to pay fixed rate of GST on their turnover to the government. Okay, so next we create inventory, printer, stock item, inventory, shortcut item from Gateway Tally I, inventory info, again stock items I, create, printer, or say MS printer, under primary. Okay, under primary. Now you have to create units. How to create units? Numbers. Alt plus C. Press Alt plus T. Units. Create numbers. Symbol. Numbers. Okay. Numbers. You have to match with the unit quantity code UQC. Search various numbers. Type numbers. Yeah. Numbers. Okay. Control plus A. Now, GST applicable? Yes. Now, here you have to set GST details. You have to set GST details. Is it given? GST rates are given in the problem here. GST rates are given in the problem here. It is given or not? GST rates are given or not?
No, sir.
No. Now we will take GST rate, just add in the problem. We take sample assuming GST rates is 18%, 18. 18%, 18. Printer, on printer you have to pay 18% GST rate. Yes. Okay. Classification, undefined. You are not defined it. Please press the enter key. Description of the product, MS printer. Enter the dummy HSN code. Dummy 6-digit. Dummy HSN code. We have HSN code for printer. You have to Google it. Okay. Calculation type on value. Taxability, taxable, because you have to pay 18% GST, taxable. What is the percentage? Assuming 18%, 18. Enter. Control plus A. Okay. Type of supply, goods. Enter. Control plus A. Okay. So we will enter the accounting vouchers, purchase voucher, because only purchase transactions are mentioned. Go for the purchase voucher, accounting voucher. You go for the purchase voucher. Now, to go to accounting vouchers, press V. Select F9 shortcut key. You get a purchase voucher. Okay. You have a purchase voucher screen. Invoice number 33033. Date, you select 1st April 2021. Party name, Virat Traders. Virat Traders, he is a composition dealer. Purchase ledger, purchases. So that is not required. Tax classification not required. Press enter key. Okay. What is the product name? Printer, MS printer. You're getting go down. This is not required. Suppose you are to don't want to this small go down screen to be deactivated. What you have to do is you press F11. Now you have the go down here. No, not F11. F2. Sorry, F2. You have a go down. Maintain multiple go downs. Say no. It will be deactivated. Okay. Control plus A. Okay. Again. Invoice number 33. Date is 1st April. Party name Virat Traders. Purchases. This is not required. Tax classification. Press enter key. MS Printer. How much you purchased? How many numbers purchased?
10 units.
10 numbers. 10 numbers. Then what is the rate? 6,000.
6,000.
So now what we have to do now? Should we save it or not? Because we will not pay GST taxes to the composition dealer. Composition dealer has no right to collect GST taxes from us, from the buyer. Okay, will not pay GST taxes. Okay, now, then who has to pay the taxes? Let us see, who has to pay the taxes now? Okay, now, you select the tax analysis, whether we see where that percentage gone. Tax analysis 18% we have entered now, where it is gone. Tax analysis, select tax analysis. Okay, so that means it is not showing any taxes because we will not pay any taxes to the composition dealer. Okay, so control plus A, control plus A, control plus A, press control plus A, control plus A. Now, where we will see the report, whether we see GSTR 1 or 2, which report do we see? GSTR 1 belongs to sales 1, GSTR 2 belongs to purchase 1. How to see the GSTR report? Go to Gateway of Tally. Okay, select display, select statutory reports, select this, select GST and the stat report, select GST, select GSTR2. We will see whether that displays or not. 60,000. Now it is displaying. See, purchase report. So it is displayed there. This is a displayed there. 60,000 tax. There is no tax. We don't pay any tax to the composition dealer. Okay. So it is displaying under nil rated invoices. That is called, you don't pay any taxes to the seller. That is called nil rated invoices. Okay. When you buy for composition dealer, will not pay taxes to the seller because the composition dealer, he cannot collect taxes from us. That is called nil rated invoices, value of 60,000. Okay, this is the way how to enter when transactions is concerned with purchase from composition Tally software. Okay. So again, repeating once again from Gateway of Tally, press D display, press O stat report shortcut key, press G. So we have the GSTR2, select GSTR2. Now we have under null rated invoices. Enter on that. So you have the voucher register. So we have intra-state null rated invoices. That is composition value. It's called composition value. It's called null rated invoices. Interstate, intrastate. This is intrastate. Interstate, it is not showing anything. It's showing under the intrastate, within the state, 60,000. the vouchers of nil rated invoices, 60,000. It is showing under the which heading? Composition value. Okay. So, best example for nil rated invoices you are buying from composition dealer. It's called nil rated invoices. So I'll take the attendance now. Tomorrow we'll do for the next problem, purchase from unregistered dealer. I'll take the attendance.